If you think the massive SpaceX listing on a Wall Street has nothing to do with you here in New Zealand, you are in a brutal reality check. Elon Musk just pulled off the biggest financial shakeup of the decade, and it is triggering a massive domino effect that is about to hit everything from your KiwiSaver portfolio to your rural internet speed. We are stripping away the hype to look at the genuine pros, the terrifying cons, and exactly how to look at it. First up, the sheer scale of SpaceX. Debut is breaking the global financial system in real time. The IPO was widely oversubscribed, drawing an unbelievable $250 billion in a bid. Massive funds managers like BlackRock literally had to suffer an enormous amount of cash out of traditional tech sectors just to fund their SpaceX positions. Let's be genuine about the impact. It has completely revitalized the public market, setting a massive green light for others upcoming mega IPOs like OpenAI and Anthropic. The cone is a mechanical nightmare. SpaceX is so massive on a day one that flagship indices like Index 100 actually had to overhaul their traditional rules, fast-tracking it into their benchmarks in just 15 days instead of making it wait. Why do they care? This is where it hits home. Even if you didn't buy SpaceX share directly, you will likely own a piece of it very soon because KiwiSaver providers heavily invest in global passive index fund. Automated rebalancing over coming few weeks means your retirement portfolio is about to become heavily exposed to Elon Musk's space ambitions. Now, let's look at why investors are losing their minds. SpaceX vertically integrated by acquiring Musk's artificial intelligence AI, merging the Starlink satellite network with the massive GPU data centers. They'll build $1 trillion tech conglomerate that merges space and AI. What's the pro? This is a massive capital injection, gives SpaceX a war chest and to rapidly expand satellite capacity for New Zealand. Local telecom analysts expect this will drive down enterprise data costs and massively boost rural broadband reliability across the country. But here is a terrifying cone. Market analysts are screaming warning. On Facebook 2012 scenario, SpaceX went public despite posting a brutal 4.28. Analysts are screaming warning of Facebook 2012 scenario. SpaceX went public despite posting a brutal $4.28 billion net loss in Q1 due to extreme spending on Starships. On top of that, Elon Musk controls 85% of the voting shares. Institutional critics are flagging a catastrophic governance structure that could cause volatile swings the moment the retail hype settles. Beyond your bank account, this IPO is creating an immediate crisis for local New Zealand tech sector. The listing instantly turned over 4,400 SpaceX workers into a paper millionaires overnight. The pro, it proves that deep tech and aerospace are fully commercialized, highly lucrative asset classes. It inspires the next generation of engineers. The heavy cone is a massive global talent drain. This sudden centralization of extreme wealth in the US is going to make it incredibly difficult for Kiwi's deep tech and aerospace startups to retain our top-tier local engineers. When they are being courted by lucrative Wall Street-backed US offers, we are losing our brightest minds to those cosmos. Looking forward, this even changes the world economy forever. For decades, space belonged to government budgets. Now it's fully commercialized asset class funding infrastructure for Mars colonies, completely detached from a traditional earthly metrics. But the real judgment day is coming fast. In September, SpaceX will be legally forced to pull back this curtain and host its first ever public quarterly earning call. Wall Street will finally see its $2.1 trillion valuation built on a solid foundation for a pure cosmic hype. The end for Kiwis and migrants alike, your retirement fund stability, your regional connectivity, and future of the tech jobs will you apply for now officially tied to performance of a rocket company. The financial system just shifted on its axis. Are you excited to see your KiwiSaver exposed to SpaceX? Or does Elon Musk having 85% voting control make you want to check your portfolio immediately? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.